See if I dug out enough. Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh my gosh. Welcome to Digging with Deej. Well, we're at another piece of property owned by the camp. And this was on the 1912 map, but this is the cellar hole, and this looks like an earlier than 1900s cellar hole to me. Rock lined, stacked rock. I don't think I see any concrete anywhere putting it together. So this was stacked rock in the hole. So let's see what we can find. So far I've got a lot of iron around it. And then the girls are over. There is a more modern early 1900s block wall foundation. This is really difficult to detect in here, you guys. It's so full of this stuff. Sheet roofing, sheet metal roofing. Look at this. And then over here is foundation number 5, and this goes way back 40 feet. This one, the tree grew up and split it up, but you can see there's part of it there, but it goes back to those bigger trees back there and then just drops off. But there's no dump at the drop off. It's old blue window glass, but I don't see any bubbles in it. So early 1900s. I don't know if this is a foundation. I stopped detecting because there's just so much sheet metal in here. And we have to watch out. There's dens, animal burrows. That's just a pile of concrete. There's another animal burrow there. It's not really a foundation. I was trying to find a dump. Walking through trying to find a dump. See that wall right there? There's more sheet metal roofing there. There's Nancy way back in the woods. Well, sometimes something can look like $1 million on a map, and then it ends up not being. Okay, squat beer. What year is it? There should be a date on it here somewhere. Not to be refilled. So I'm guessing mid to late 60s. I don't see a year on it. Because they use that phrase, I think, until 67. 35 to 67, something like that. Lots of trees down in here. Not really finding a dump. I thought maybe this was a dump. I keep looking for flattened buckets, but I'm just finding tin roofing everywhere. So we haven't found the dump yet. So over there, see, that's the tin roofing there. But look at this concrete. I don't know if it was that big of a building. This is concrete and rocks. Foundation on the edge. See, this is a square here. So that was a totally separate building. Then you got this one here. And see, it's sheet metal underneath all this. Oh, surface fine. Insulator, unbroken insulator. Oh, it is broken, doggone it. So there. Wire insulator, keeping animals in somehow. So that's from the 1900s. So, not finding much, folks. Sometimes, sometimes you don't find anything. This is realistic treasure hunting. I'll get back to you if I find something interesting. Besides the concrete blocks telling me this is early 1900s. These are round bolts coming up out of the cement. They're not square. And I just found this on the ground. It's melted glass. Strange. Pale, pale ice blue melted glass. But I still have not found a dump anywhere. This is, down here is an entry pad. Concrete entry pad. I went all the way around that. Nothing but iron. Nothing but iron. Virginia's through the woods, closer to the cellar hole. I might try jumping in the cellar hole and see what I can find in that. This is a cistern, okay, where they would have stored water, would have run off from the roof into here. That's the lid that was on it, and this is the tree that pushed the lid off of it and came up. Massive tree. Look at that. Don't see any bottles down there, only metal. But Virginia found 2 Coke bottles. She found a chair sitting out here. 2 Coke bottles. They got cities on the bottom? No? Bummer. That's the chimney. See all the bricks? This is the chimney stack area all along here. Bricks. Virginia went over it. She says nothing but iron. There's Nancy. Okay, it's been a long day. I'm in the woods now. Nancy is over there. I don't know if you can see the top of her head just moving. Wait, she's just over the edge of the hill. And I'm down what they call the Halloween Trail. For 40-some years, they've done Halloween woods here. So I thought, who knows? You know, I might be able to find something modern in that. So this ground is like unforgiving. You have to literally chisel it. I've been chiseling away with my new purple shovel from John. And I had this banging signal, you guys. See if I dug out enough. Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh my gosh. What is that? What in the world is that? Oh my goodness. What is that? Does anybody know what that is? I mean, is that modern? This doesn't look modern. Maybe it is. I don't know what that is. Oh, look at this. Whoa. I don't see any glass down there of any kind. This would be a typical spot for an 1800s homestead to dump their trash. Why is there no trash here? Okay, hold on a minute. Because I am afraid of heights. So I'm being brave for you guys. And it goes that way. I don't see any glass or garbage down there. Rocks. So I hope you enjoyed the adventure this week. It's kind of long. I'll try to edit as much as I can out of it. But sometimes, like I said, you know, sometimes you don't find what you expect. You know, knowing the history and the age of a site. Sometimes you go to a place that all kinds of foundation looks like $1 million. And then it ends up nothing but sheet metal. So that's realistic detecting, folks. And I can't wait to find out what that button is. That's my favorite find from, I mean, we've been detecting since after breakfast. And it's 4 o'clock now, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the adventure. Please give me a like. Please make a comment. I would love to see your comments. I love reading them. And I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye. If you're looking for more treasure hunting adventures, please check out some assorted playlists on different types of treasure hunting that I've created for replay. Get out and find your treasure, folks. It's just out there waiting. See you soon.